Hey everyone, Tristan back with another video, and in this video this is going to be my taste test of the brand new Soylent flavor, strawberry. This is the first time I've ever tried it. It's sealed. This actually replaces the nectar flavor, which I guess didn't sell really well. The nectar flavor kind of tasted like the milk left over from Fruit Loops cereal, if you know what that tastes like. Kind of a sweet, artificial, fruity flavor. My favorite flavor is the cacao flavor, which I do buy and drink occasionally. That's got a flavor that's just like chocolate milk, so it's really quite good. And I also like plain too. I don't find the plain flavor of Soylent offensive or anything like that. And the narrative for me behind Soylent is that for the last couple of years I've been having it maybe a couple times a week as a meal replacement, just when I'm like too involved in work and don't have time to prepare a meal, or if I don't want to just grab fast food or something, I'll just have a Soylent. I'm not one of these people that drink it a lot and replace most of my meals, although you can do that because it's got the nutrition to do that. I have tried that, like I've tried having it like 2 times a day or something, and I find that my body just doesn't agree with it. You know, I just don't feel as good doing that as opposed to having like solid food. So, but I have heard people doing that and they're very successful doing that, so I'm not saying that that's bad necessarily, just that for myself, I don't prefer to do that. I just prefer to use it as a meal replacement to get some nutrition in when I'm working and don't have time for a meal or whatever, or I'm just too lazy to cook or something like that, or just want something really quick. You can get this at places like Walmart and 7-Eleven now, so they're expanding, but you can also order it on Amazon, so check the description field below for pricing and availability. And anyway, here goes my initial taste test of strawberry. As you can see, they have redesigned the bottles, so it's a different bottle design now, and it's also completely sealed and wrapped on the outside here. Actually, while I'm here, why don't I show you what the label says, and you can go ahead and pause the video or freeze frame the video if you want to see like the contents and all that. Alright, so let me go ahead and open this and we'll do the taste test. Now you can actually peel this off and open it this way and undo the wrapping, or I've heard that you can just simply unscrew it and it will also just tear as well, the outer wrapping. And as you can see, it's got a nice seal right there as well. Now this is lightly chilled because that's the way I prefer to consume my Soylent, but you don't have to refrigerate it. It actually is perfectly fine unrefrigerated, and I think it lasts up to a year. As long as it's totally sealed, unrefrigerated. Refrigerated probably a little bit longer. So the initial smell test, it does smell like strawberry, although not like super strong, and I don't know if you can see in the video here, but it's got kind of a, so I can do this without spilling it. You probably can't see it. But anyway, the color of it is not pink or anything. It's got a sort of cream color to it, like off-white. So let me go ahead and taste it. Not bad. It definitely tastes like strawberry, but it's not, my initial sense is that it's not real strong. It's not real sweet. And also the strawberry taste is more of a natural strawberry taste rather than an overpowering sweet strawberry taste. I like it. It's better than nectar. Nectar tastes kind of chemically to me. This tastes more like regular Soylent and strawberry mixed in. So it's kind of like what you would expect. And again, it doesn't have a real sweet taste. It's more of a natural strawberry taste, which I prefer. I like that it doesn't taste super sweet. I can't say that I like it more than cacao. Cacao is still my favorite flavor. The aftertaste on this is slightly chemically. So it's got a slightly odd aftertaste. Not too bad though. I'd probably buy this again if I was in the mood for something that's a little bit fruity rather than, you know, the chocolate. But again, my favorite is cacao. Cacao tastes just like chocolate milk to me, and that stuff is absolutely delicious. I also like the cacao powder that you mix with water at home. That one is actually, I like that better than the regular cacao actually. The cacao powder, but it's not as convenient because you have to mix it up at home in your own container and stuff like that, whereas this is kind of a grab and go. So yeah, the strawberry Soylent in my opinion is really not bad, although it's not the best flavor in my opinion. And if I had to rank them, I would probably, in terms of what I was going to purchase, I'd probably go cacao first, then regular Soylent, just the plain, then strawberry. Also, you should note they have some coffee flavors as well for that have caffeine. Like for breakfast, they have a coffeeist, which is like pure coffee. I've tried that one. They also have like cafe vanilla, which is also coffee and vanilla, and they have like a cafe chai. And so I haven't tried the chai one, but I've tried coffeeist and cafe vanilla. Those are both pretty good. They taste very much like a dark coffee. So I like those as well. Anyway, this has been my initial taste test of the new strawberry Soylent flavor. For pricing and availability, see the description field, and for community discussion, see the comments field. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.